10th class, so far we completed the first chapter, real numbers. Now the second chapter is sets, chapter 2, sets. So this is the easy topic in first paper and scoring also. So see here, introduction to this topic, sets. Here some examples are there, and observe the examples. By examples we have to define a definition. So see, observe carefully. The days of a week, states of India, colors of rainbow, strong boys of your class, 10 honest persons in India, 5 intelligent persons of your town. So this is some examples, and observe one by one. The first one, the days of a week. We know the days of a week, there are 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are the 7 days of a week. And next, states of India. So total 29 states of India, we know. Next, the colors of rainbow. We know the colors of rainbow, total 7 colors. VIBGR. So VIBGR are the colors of rainbow. So these are the first 3 definitions. And next, observe the fourth one, the strong boys of your class. See, A is a person and B is another person. So I assign a work to select the strong boys of your class. Then he list out some persons, and B also list out some persons. So is both the listed persons are same, A and B. According to A, some persons are strong, and according to B, some other persons are strong. Means the strong is not, we cannot define here, means individual. This is different to individual. Means according to A, some persons strong, and according to B, some other persons are strong. So here the strong is not defined exactly like this. See, week, the days of a week, means it is known the 7 days. It is acceptable by everyone. States of India, we know the 29 states of India. It is also acceptable by everyone. Means if I assign the same work to the same persons A and B, the A listed per weeks of a week of a days of a week, here he and both are assigned the same numbers. Means if the days of a week is Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and up to Saturday, and B also listed the same, means it is acceptable by A and B. In the same way, the 29 states of India and the rainbow colors are 7, so it is acceptable by everyone. Whereas the fourth, strong boys of your class, means the list may be different, because we cannot exactly define what is the strong. If I defined this like this, the strong boys of your class whose weight is 40 kgs, above the 40 kgs, then both the lists are same. Means according to A, the above the 40 kgs, according to B, above the 40 kgs boys are same. So this is defined. If I define the strong meaning 40 kgs, then the both are the same. It is acceptable by both A and B or everyone. In the same way, the 10 honest persons in India. So again it is also different to individual. Next, 5 intelligent persons of your town or your village. So how we define the intelligent persons? So this is also not acceptable. Means, so what is here going on? See, here the total 6 examples, here the 3 examples, and this is the remaining 4, 5, 6, the 3 examples. If you observe, in the first 3 examples, it is acceptable by everyone. Means week is acceptable, states are acceptable, colors of rainbow are acceptable, individual. But whereas the word strong, honest, individual is different to individual. So it is cannot acceptable by everyone. See the definition here, we are going to define the definition. Well defined means it is acceptable by everyone. Means we have to accept. If I defined a set, or if I defined like this a week, then it is acceptable by everyone. But here the 10 honest persons in India, means it is cannot acceptable by everyone, because again it is different to person. Now see the definition. well defined collection of objects. So what is the well defined collection? From previous 6 examples we observe that it is acceptable by everyone. First 3 examples we observe it is acceptable by everyone. See here the definition of well defined collection of objects. A collection of objects is said to be well defined if it is possible to tell beyond the doubt, means there is no doubt about every object which are we selected of the universe, whether it is there in our collection or not. Means if I select some objects, it is acceptable by everyone. It is acceptable by everyone. The complete meaning of well defined is simple in one word. If we are selecting some elements or we are selecting some objects, then the objects is acceptable by everyone, not according to me. It is acceptable by everyone. That is the simple meaning of well defined. Well defined means, remember the only one thing, it is acceptable. It is acceptable by everyone, then only it is called well defined. That is the example, the week, 7 days of a week and the states of India. Next rainbow colors. So like this, these are the acceptable by everyone. Now from this, the definition of set. See what is a set? Set means a well defined. See, this is the word we are using, well defined. Well defined means again acceptable by everyone. So a well defined collection of objects is called a set. The objects in a set are we called its elements or members. Means a well defined collection of objects is called a set. It is means it is acceptable by everyone and we are forming a set by some rule. So the objects in a set are called elements or members. Next, we usually denote the set by capital letters and their elements by small letters. Capital letters means A, B, C, D alphabets, and their elements in the set, in elements we denote with the small letters, small A, B, C, D. We use the braces. These braces is called flower brackets to put the elements of a set. See some examples here. I denote A to denote a set with the capital letters. Here the set, and I use the brackets, the flower brackets, and I am writing here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this. So these are the multiples of 2 table. 2 ones are 2 twos are like this. So this is a set contains the elements of 2 table. So this is acceptable by everyone because these are the elements of, these are the multiples of 2. Next I am taking one more set denoting with B and using the brackets vowels. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. So this is also acceptable by everyone because these are the English alphabet letters, vowels. So I am denoting it with the set B. Now I am taking one more set C. One more set C. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Next 13. So what are these? So these are the prime numbers less than 15. So these are the prime numbers less than 15. So this is also acceptable by everyone. So here a well defined, all these are the well defined means they follow a rule and acceptable by everyone. Well defined collection, we are collecting according to by rule objects is called a set, and these are called the elements of the set. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 are the elements of set A. A, E, I, O, U are the elements of set B. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are the elements of set C. These are called elements or members of a set, and we denote the sets capital letters A, B, C, D like this, and their elements with the small letters, and we put the elements of set by using the braces or brackets. These are called the flower brackets, and we can separate by with the comma. So this is the complete about the definition of a set. Now we are defining one more interesting topic about set belongs to and does not belongs to. See what is the meaning of belongs to and does not belongs to. See, if X is an element of a set, we write X belongs to A, which means that X belongs to A or X is an element of A. And how to read this means this symbol is read as belongs to. X belongs to A means X is an element of A, means A contains the element X. If X not belongs to the set A means X is not an element of set A, means A does not contains the element X, then how to write? Then we say that X does not belongs to set A, and we write in symbolically X does not belongs to, this is belongs to symbol and this is does not belongs to symbol, equal not equal, like that. Belongs to and does not belongs to means X is not an element of set A. The simple thing here, suppose a set A, if X is an element means X appears in the set A, then we use to write like this, X belongs to A means X contains an element A. If X not in set A means A does not contains the element X, then we used to write like this, set A, X does not belongs to A. Now this is a simple topic, and see in the exercise second 2.1 exercise, the first bit is related to the well defined set. Well defined, the word well defined, so we can solve the complete first bit by using the word well defined. And next second, third, fourth bit exercise, first exercise, second, third, fourth problems related to belongs to and does not belongs to. Now in that I select one, the second problem, and third, fourth we can solve the same way. Here A is given, second problem exercise, first exercise, second problem, A equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 and B equal to 3, 5, 7 and C equal to the set PQR. So we have to use the symbols either belongs to or does not belongs to. See here is 0 and here the set is, the 0 is in set A or 0 is an element of A. Yes, 0 is an element of A or 0 belongs to the set A. So we use the symbol like this, belongs to, 0 belongs to A. Next 3, C contains the elements only alphabet letters P, Q, R. Here we are given a number 3. Is 3 belongs to C? No, 3 does not belongs to C. So we use the symbol, this is does not belongs to. Next 4, here the B contains the numbers 3, 5, 7 odd numbers and 4 is an even number. So 4 also does not belongs to B. Next 8, here A contains the elements even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6. 8 is also even number, but A does not contains the even number. So 8 does not belongs to A. Next P is a letter and C contains the alphabets P, Q, R and P are in set C or P is an element of set C. So we can use the symbol belongs to. Next the last one, 7 is an element of set B or B contains an element 7 or 7 in set B. So we use the symbol belongs to. So 7 belongs to B. See 0 belongs to A, 3 does not belongs to C, 4 does not belongs to B, 8 does not belongs to A, P belongs to C and 7 belongs to B. So this is the second bit problem related to using the symbol belongs to and does not belongs to. So we can solve in the same model third problem and fourth problem. Next, see one more important about the set is, the important thing is we have to remember the two things. See, form a set by using the letter medium. Suppose we have to form a set by using a letter medium. See, I am selecting a set F and I have to write the elements, I have to write the letters of this word medium, means M, A, D, A, M. So this is not the correct way of writing the set. Means, so what is the correct way? Means here the writing, the correct way is only we have to select the one time letter, means no letters or no numbers or no things are repeated in the set. While writing elements in the set or members of set, no letters are repeated, no members or no elements are repeated, means we have to select only one time, even they are in more number of times, but we have to write only one time. See, this is not the correct way. So what is the correct way? Select here M 2 times, so we have to write only one time. A 2 times, we have to write only one time. D 1 times, we can write only one time. So this is the correct way. Like this mathematics, it contains many number of letters M, T, like this they are repeated, but we have to write only one time. So remember this, the elements of the set are not repeated, they are only, we have to write only one time. So this is the first thing. The second thing is, the order is not important. While writing the elements, the order is not important. Suppose here I am selecting a set A, here I am writing like this 1 2 3. This is also same as 2 3 1, and it is also same as 3 2 1, means we can write in any form, means any order, but order is not important. We can write either 1 2 3 is same as the set 2 3 1 is same as the set 3 2 1. We can write in any way, but order is not important. So remember, the first one is the letters are not important, the second thing is the order is not important. So remember these two things. Next, now representation of a set. Now this is important in exam point of view for 1 mark. See, representation of a set. There are two methods of representation of a set. The first one is roster form or listing method. The second one is set builder form or rule method. See, the roster form. So what is the roster form or listing method? In this method, we just make a list of the objects in our collection and put them within the braces. Means just we list out the elements and put them in the braces. So this is called a roster method or listing method, means we are listing the elements. So this is called a roster method. Example, let A be the set of all odd numbers between 10 to 20. So all the odd numbers in between 10 to 20. So I am writing here the set A, given set A. So odd numbers between 10 to 20. Odd numbers are 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. So these are the list which is given for the set A, means the set of all odd numbers between 10 to 20. So we are listing the elements. So this is called listing method or roster method. And the second one, second example, let B be the set of all factors of 16. So write the factors of 16. The factors of 16 I am writing in set B. 1 is a factor of 16 and 2 is a factor of 16, 4 is a factor of 16, 8 is a factor of 16 and 16 is a factor of 16 itself. So these are the elements in set B, which are we are listing the elements of set B by using the condition, that is the set of all factors of 16. So this is called roster form or listing form. Next, second, why it is need to form, we need to write the second method, the set builder form, means if the large number of data to write, if you want to write the all the elements of all the even numbers or all the odd numbers, then there are the many infinite numbers. So there is a very lengthy process to write to all the odd numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to suppose 1000. Write the all the odd numbers or write the all the even numbers 1 to 1000, means there are the big lengthy list. To write this in the simple way or simple form, in simply way, we use the one more method, set builder form or rule method. Why this is called rule method? We form a rule. By using the rule, we can write the set. So this is called rule method or set builder method. In this method, we use the property or properties, either one property or one or more properties, or rule. This is, we use the word rule. So rule satisfied by the elements of the set, means we have to form a set by using some rule or some condition or some property to form a set. And how to write this? See, we write X. So read these dots as such that X satisfies property P. We have to select the X's, we have to select the elements based on the condition based on the rule, based on this property P, which means that, so what is the meaning of this? The set of all those x such that each element of x satisfies the property P. We don't know the property, but the elements, we have to select the elements that must satisfy the given property. Only those elements we have to write, or we have to form. By using that elements, we have to form a set A or given set. So what is the property? See some example how to form a property by using the example. See, x such that, read this as x such that x is an odd number between 10 and 20. So x is an odd number between 10 and 20, means we have to select the x's, we have to select the elements of A, and the elements of A satisfies this condition. What is the condition? Means they are the odd numbers first of all, and they are in between 10 to 20. So all the odd numbers in between 10 to 20. So this is the condition. We have to select the numbers based on this condition, and this is the list: 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. These are the odd numbers. And the second example, x such that x is a factor of 16, means we have to select the numbers. What is the condition? What is the rule? The rule is they all the factors of 16. Only those elements we have to write in set B. So this is called set builder form and rule form. See, the roster form or listing form, just we are listing here the elements. In the set builder form means it is formed based on the rule, means it's formed by based some property. So in set builder form the property we have to use, and the listing form just we are the listing the elements. See next some exercise problems of 2.1. Now fifth bit related to roster form. Write the following set in roster form. Seventh bit also write the following in roster form. Now see first bit problems. First B is given x is a natural number smaller than 6. We have to write the natural numbers which are less than 6. We know the natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, smaller than 6. So we need only up to 5, less than 6. If it is less than or equal to 6 means we can write 6 also, but only up to 6 only. Next C, the set C is given x such that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of the digits is 8. Means we have to select the 2-digit number starting from 10 to up to last 99. Among all these numbers we have to select those numbers whose sum of the digits, means adding the 2 digits, the sum of the digits is 8. We have to search one by one. First see 17, 1 plus 7 is 8, so 17. Next 2 plus 6, 8, 26. Next 3 plus 5, 8, 35. Next 4 plus 4, 8, 44. Next writing the reverse order we can get the same. In 53, 5 plus 3, 8. Next 62, 6 plus 2, 8. Next 71, 7 plus 1, 8. So these are the numbers. We are listing the numbers which satisfies the condition. They are 2-digit number and the sum of the digits is 8. These are the elements of set C. Next D, x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So the prime numbers means the prime factors of 60, nothing but the prime factors of 60 are the prime numbers which divides the 60. So first try with 2. 2 is a prime number which divides the 60, and 3 is a prime number which divides 60. 5 is a prime number which divides 60. Next 7 prime number does not divide 60, and 11 like that. So only the prime factors of 60 are 2, 3, 5. Next set E is given x is a alphabet in the letter B, in the word B, in the word better. So we have to write the alphabets in the word better. So I already told in the set the no element is repeated, so we have to write only one time. So first B, E is repeated 2 times, so we have to write only 1 time E. T also 2 times, but we have to write only 1 time, and R. So these are the elements of the word better, alphabets of the word better. B 1 time, E 1 time, T 1 time, and R 1 time. All the letters are covered. Next, the 7th bit also same, the following set in roster form. Here the given set A is given, X is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. In between 50 to 60, we have to write all the natural numbers, not include 50 and not include 100. So starting from 51, 52, 53 and up to last 98, 99, all the natural numbers greater than 50 and smaller than 100. Next, set B, X is an integer. The condition is x square equal to 4. So we have to select the integers. We have to select those x's which satisfies this condition, means square of that integer is equal to 4. So we know the integers are negative, positive and 0. Among all the integers, we have to select those integers which satisfies this condition x square equal to 4. We know 2 square equal to 4, so we can select 2, and minus 2 square equal to also 4. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2 into 2, 4. So minus 2 also satisfies this condition. So here we are selecting plus 2 and minus 2. So no other integer satisfies this condition, only the 2 integers which satisfies this condition, 2 and minus 2. Next, the last set D, X such that X is a letter in the word, same as 5th bit 4th problem, X in the letter word loyal. So write L O Y A, L again repeated, so we have to write only 1 time. So L O Y A are the letters in the set D. Now next, 6th bit. Now 6th bit, write the following sets in set builder form. See, the first is given 3, 6, 9, 12. So here I am selecting a set A, X such that, so X, see, observe 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the multiples of 3, means in 3 table. So X is a multiple of 3, but not all the multiples of 3 are less than 13. Multiples of 3 less than 13. So all the multiples of 3 which are less than 13 means 3, 6, 9, 12. Next, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. If you observe, these are the powers of 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 16, 2 power 5, 32. So all the 2 powers up to only here 32. So we have to write the condition according to the given set. So X such that X equal to 2 power n, means all the 2 powers. And what are the n values? Here n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 1, 2. 2 power 2, 4. 2 power 3, 8. 2 power 4, 16. 2 power 5, 32. So we are selecting n, or we can also write n values like this also. N values 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. We can also like this. We can also write like this also. Next, C equal to the third problem 5, 25, 125, 625. So these also powers of 5. 5 power 1, 5. 5 power 2, 25. 5 power 3, 125. 5 power 4, 625. So write like this, X such that X is that depends on the condition 5 power n, and the n values in between from 1 to 4, means if n equal to 1, 5 power 1, n equal to 2, 5 square, 25, n equal to 3, 5 cube, 125, n equal to 4, 5 power 4, 625. And the last problem 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 up to 100. So all these are the square numbers from 1 to 100. So write the set D x such that x is a square number, x is a square number from 1 to 100, including both 1 and 100, x such that x is a square number from 1 to 100, all the square numbers from 1 to 100. So these are the elements of set D. Now this is the set builder form.